welcome back to my channel. This is a brand new vlog of a week in my life and how I prep for my markets. So it is currently Monday, so like 1 o'clock. I've had a pretty chilled morning because I had markets yesterday, and today I'm just going to start by sewing up the seams on this box of scrunchies, and then we're gonna move on to releasing some mini scrunchies today and just getting out some orders. So yeah, I normally take Mondays off, but I thought I may as well get some stuff done because I'm here in my little studio working, so I may as well get some work done. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Alright, so today was a very non-productive day. My brother came up from Canberra to visit because my family's just going through some stuff. So yeah, I got all these done, sewn and like pulled through. It's like a new Bluey collection. And I also organised these boxes of scrunchies because they were a mess after my market yesterday. So I'm hoping tomorrow I can get all my orders done. There's like 20. I can get all the rest of the Bluey collection, like the photos done, and get them uploaded. And then, yeah, a better treat than we had today. So for now though, I'm going to just go do some more like behind the scenes work, like some orders from some new stock. And then I'm going to watch Friends and go to bed because after doing nothing all day, I'm very tired. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning. Me again. So today is, what's today? It's Tuesday. I've spent all morning packing orders. I've got like 20 done, which means like 10 to go. I am now like just finishing up some minis so I can pop them on my website because the amount of feedback I have had on these minis is crazy. Like, nothing for me really sells out quickly except for Bluey, but like these minis, I feel like they're gonna sell quick, and if not, they don't sell quick on website. Like at markets, they're gonna do really well. So yeah, we're just gonna get them up on the website, and then we're gonna keep on sewing. We've got minor market this week, which is one of my like biggest, and then the week after that I've got an open day, and then in March we've got like 6 markets. So yeah, it's getting busy again. So I'm just gonna keep on doing what I'm doing, and I'll pick up the camera later. All right, I'm back. I've been very unproductive today. I am now going to start cutting out 100 scrunchies. 50 are for our netball team and 50 are for a dance school. And then, yeah, that's going to be my next job. So I'll bring you along with that. Hey everyone, so me being me and hoarding all my fabric, I just found all of this fabric in like my stash, so I'm gonna go through and cut it so we can make some scrunchies. I got my footy scrunchies, like, yes, where was this all hiding? So yeah, let's get cutting. I am exhausted, but no sleep for me. So out of those piles of fabric I showed you, I've got like this, all these three. So I'm just gonna start on sewing them, and then I'm gonna sew for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna go to bed because this girl's exhausted. All right, it has been 3 hours and I have, let's do this done, and then I also finished off all my custom orders sewing wise. I'm just gonna iron them all out tomorrow. I'm gonna go through and cut these, like cut the strips up, and then this girl is going to bed. Okay, it's just me again. Today is Thursday. It's not Tuesday, it's Thursday, and today we're gonna start prepping for my market. I do have a lot of stock left over from last week because last week's market was, to say the least, it was awful. But yeah, I kind of just want to get some footy ones done. I want to get more minis done. I want to get more like my pom-pom range because that sells so fast. And oh, there was a spider. Ugh. Oh, sorry. And then what else we got to do today? We've also got like a bunch of wholesale orders. Wholesale orders like don't stop lately, but hey, can't complain. So yeah, we're just gonna start by filling up all our bobbins. And yeah, we'll go from there. gonna keep going. This is gonna be, again, a really boring video, but you guys love watching what I do in my day. So yeah, let's keep going. So today is market day. I am up, I am dressed, and yeah, we're gonna jump in the car and go. So I'm home. The market went really well, much better than last week. It did rain this morning, but it cleared up, and then it was super hot, super muggy, but it was good. At least it wasn't raining. I did really well for this market. I sold probably like 100 mini scrunchies, which is crazy, but I mean, people were asking for them at every other market I've done, so yeah, the demand was definitely there. I sold out of all my hair clips, the new like claw clips that have come back into fashion, and yeah, it was a really good day. I'm gonna end this video now. I'm gonna go edit it and put it up and upload it, and then I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the afternoon. I'm really wanting some hot chips for dinner, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to everyone for your ongoing support. Bye.